look at what we have here. It's a Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. So this is one of 112. The MSRP is about 3 million. The asking price is 3.5. Who wants it? 112. That's it. This is really crazy. It's a consignment from the customer. So whoever wants to come to Newport Beach Lamborghini, you'll see this car. Color is kind of so-so, but you know, it's rare. I want to hear how it sounds, but then I don't think I can hear it right now. Anyways. Okay, let's hear how this car sounds like. Jordan Hawk, he's gonna start the car. It's a Newport Beach Lamborghini. This car is on consignment right now. Let's see. Oh, the wing. It's automatic and manual. So let's see. Asked him to rev her a little bit. Alright, so yeah, let's rev a little bit. Look at this massive engine, V12, 6.5 liters, 800 PS. This is how the engine sits, the location. And this is what I'm talking about. You know, forget electric cars. This is the engine. This is the true beauty. Why would you get rid of this, you know, marvelous piece of art? That's what I'm talking about. Yes. So it's got the center lock wheels, lots of carbon fiber everywhere. Countach, one of 112. It doesn't mean that it is number one, but it is just one of 112 produced in the world. That's how rare this car is. I mean, I don't know much details other than 800 PS, so probably 790 horsepower or 789, I think. Looks like a robot.